They're probably down there, man. Down in the deep hole. Oh, look at that gar. He's got it. Oh. So guys, we showed up to this creek today, and we showed up with the intentions of fishing for carp, and we still are. But when we got out and looked at the bridge, we saw a bunch of little smallmouth, and of course, you can't pass up the opportunity to catch some bass. And then we saw a giant gar, and the giant gar ripped most of my worm off. So that was fun. But anyways, all I'm stuck with left is like that. But the little smallmouth are eating it, so I'm switching over to a smaller hook, a little 1/0 EWG, like that, to see if I can't catch them. Did you get one? Dylan got one. Oh man. You know, I bet if we dug around in my bed of my truck and stuff, we could probably find some scrap soft plastics. Really? That is cool. Look how light he is. Dude, you know what those are? Those are crappie. No. Yeah. I'm almost positive those are crappie. I'm gonna see if I can't get one to bite, and then I'm just gonna jaw jack him. When he came up and turned his side, he was silver, and he was like wide. If that's a crappie, we're going home with dinner. Is that what it is? Yep.
Very nice.
Look at the pretty, gosh, look how gorgeous that fish is. Look how, oh man. Dude, that's a smallmouth rock bass hybrid, I think. Look how red the eyes are on that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm recording. Look how red the eyes are on that. That's a pretty fish. Super pretty fish. See the white on them and why I thought they were crappie though?
Yeah.
How they flash. That's cool. I'm gonna drop them on the other side here. That way don't disturb. Those are cool fish. Too bad I don't have any more room in my pond. Little fish, man.
You're wanting that thing, boy.
They're beating it up.
Bait's probably gone by now.
Probably.
Cool shiner. I bet you that's what they are.
Look at that Mondo.
What a tank.
I think it's a new PB shiner. They're pretty fish though. Hey, stop it. I'm trying to show you off. They're pretty fish though.
Nice fish.
Look how fat it is. Neat fish.
I think it's a silver shiner.
Bye. Or not. Wait, yes? Okay, bye.
Here? What do we got, a smallmouth?
That's a little smallmouth. You're joking.
Wow.
Well,
Very nice.
This video just got interesting.
Awesome.
Check that out. We've been catching them little creek chubs.
All this time it could have been a smallmouth.
Ow. Alright, you're fine. I get it. Quit. I'm trying to help. If you would listen. We've been catching little creek chubs. I just call it a little smallmouth. Well, when he hit, come here. There we go. When he hit, I thought it was just another little creek chub, and he started running, so I thought it was a little carp at first. Definitely not a little carp, but fun nonetheless. That's awesome. Rah! But cool. I will release him.
Still
Really.
5 ounce.
Yeah. Hey, man. That's good for this creek. There he goes. All of a sudden, I have a regained interest in doing this. And also now, all of a sudden, Dylan's not the only one that's caught a smallmouth today.
There you go.
Still like a 2 or 3 pound carp, but you know, beggars can't be choosers. And that, ironically enough, that's the first bass I've ever caught on a drop shot. Yeah. So I broke off from a tree up there because I got excited and overcast him. So that's a thing. So I guess now Dylan's gonna catch all the fish, and I'm just gonna stand here. Alrighty guys, that's it for us. We did our creek wading and fish catching. Filling our boots full of water. Yeah, fun day. It was a lot of fun. We caught a lot of little fish, man. We got
a bunch of small ones.
yeah, little shiners, and a couple little smallmouth, which was awesome. I didn't expect to see that. And rock bass, or I'm not really sure what those are called. You know, we caught a bunch of little things. We kept calling shiners. And we don't know if those are actually shiners, so if you know what those are, comment down below and let us know, because I'd be interested to know what they actually are. And the same with what we're calling rock bass. Watch your feet. I don't think those are rock bass either. I love it. I don't think those are rock bass either. They might be though. So if you know what they are, comment down below, let us know. I'm sure we'd love to know.
Had a good day though.
Yeah,
We were catching on corn.
Yeah.
So,
Sweet corn. I was cutting it right off the cob.
in this creek blank.
Yeah.
But I'd say overall it was a good day. Like I said, we caught a lot of fish. A lot of little shiners, smallmouth, like you said. Some rock bass or whatever they are. We'll see it in the video, but yeah, it was a great day.
It was a good time.
Yeah. To go home, try to eat something.
There you go. But anyways, guys, as always, we appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like if you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell, ding that bell down there, so it'll notify you when we post new videos. We do our best to post as much as possible. Right now, my goal is really once a week, because he's working a really full-time job and I'm recovering from a broken hand. So my goal is once a week, but I'd really like to get to you more. Anyways,
Hopefully it'll get some more.
yeah, hopefully we can get some more. Anyways, like I said, don't forget to like it if you liked it, subscribe, and ding that notification bell. As always, we appreciate it, and we'll see you guys next time.